One of the CV bolts, this one, is a hex bolt. They're quite common to round off, and the last one, as usual, is rounded off. People hit them with a chisel and it takes ages and they just make a right mess. But this is one better way of getting them out. You just need this spline tool, pop it in there and hammer it in. And oh, nice and easy, look.
Is that undone, is it?
Look how easy that is, no messing around with swinging hammers.
Is do it back up. Oh, you're doing it anyway.
Oh look, it's so easy.